Hey guys, welcome to Binize channel. Today I'm gonna introduce you how to install the car radio for the Honda Accord from 2003 to 2007. First of all, you will need to remove the original dash kit from the center control. Then you will need to remove the original car cancel part. During the removing, please pay much attention to the air conditioning wire harness and adapters. After that, what you need to do is disconnecting the original wire harness connection. When removing the original air conditioning wire harness, please pay much attention. Do not hurt the original wire harness. And it is better to remember the removing orders, so when you replace the new car radio, it will be easier. After a few seconds, this is the time for the new wire harness.